Hi ma'am, from Senator, how do you assess po yung SONA po ni President Bongbong? How do you assess po?
Oh, very comprehensive. And especially his statement on the West Philippine Sea and banning POGOs, and of course the contribution of overseas Filipino workers. So much work to be done to be able to accomplish everything that the President has said. We congratulate him for the hard work.
Mama, ano pong grade?
Sa laman ng mga Pilipino na trabaho sa China. That's something that we do.
Ma'am, were there things na ina-expect niyong banggitin pero hindi nabanggit?
No, but POGOs are banned in China, right? It's illegal. So I think the Chinese government also will welcome this because POGOs are banned in China.
Mama, ano pong thank you po. Salamat.